pretty chipper. It's about 7 in the morning and just logged into work. Probably shouldn't be filming while I'm logging into work, but you know, it is what it is. I'm just gonna take a couple minutes. So no one's gotten fired in the last 24 hours. That's great. I'm trying to be positive. I did put in some time off requests. They're not going to happen until closer to the actual holiday. I think I'm taking like the 22nd off and then the 28th and the 29th. So after Christmas, so during Giftmas. So I probably should have taken like 2 weeks off, but I just can't with the things that are happening, the changes that are happening at work, that I can't take that as much time off consecutively as I'd like to. And I know this is all first world problems, wow, but I'm just kind of a little burnt out with everything. I need like a week off and just need to recharge and get my self together. So anywho, drinking, I think, day 11 of my Advent calendar. I don't even remember what the coffee is supposed to be. I'm going to get caught up on that and do the Advent calendars tonight with the kids. As far as vlogging for the whole day, probably not going to do that, but thankfully I had pre-filmed a couple of little segments that I had planned on inserting at some point during Vlogmas, so thank God for pre-planning. So I'll probably insert an unboxing of something I bought. I've got probably 3 different videos that just random things that I bought over the last couple of weeks and was going to save them for after Vlogmas, but you know what? We'll put them in here, pass the time. You can see something I picked up for myself and go from there. I will be back during Advent calendars and then whatever else happened throughout the day, we'll chat, and yeah, I will see you later. Take care. Hey y'all, welcome back to another edition of On Wednesdays We Wear Orange, and of course it's brought to you by Fashion File. This is part 2 of the sale. They've had several sales actually recently. I think there's actually another one going on right now that I'm like, I think it's like every week there's been a sale. So a whole bunch of confetti was literally just thrown on top there, but I couldn't resist ordering another item that has been on my mind for a while now. Had the boutique been open when I was in Chicago, I probably would have picked it up in the boutique because I wanted to see them in person, but you know, it is what it is. So I went ahead and took advantage of the Fashion File sale for 10% off. I got a smoking deal on this item. I don't think you're going to guess what it is because it's not something I would typically buy, but it's in the typical wrapping. This is in a rather large dust bag this time. If you remember last time, it came in a almost comically small dust bag. So this is practically the size of a wallet type of dust bag. Oh, I wasn't expecting that type of box, but okay. Oh, there's 2 dust bags. So it came with this type, and then inside there is another dust bag. I guess they're trying to compensate for last time. I don't know, something like that. But this is a different box. So it is a slide box. I didn't know that Hermes did that type of box. So if you're familiar with Hermes, maybe you know that this is what the item comes in. Let's see. Interesting. See, I swear that this said that it came in a pouch. It doesn't have a pouch. It just says comes with box. Okay. I must have looked at a different listing, and this was the one that I ended up purchasing. But anywho, I picked up a lock. You know what? I don't think this is the one I ordered. I'll have to look it up, but I thought I was getting the one that has the leather behind the, yeah, this doesn't seem like it's the right one. Oh no. I'm disappointed. I mean, it is what it is, but let me do that so you can kind of see. So it's the Hermes lock, basically, pendant. And I thought I was getting, I think it's called the Kelly lock, that had a little brown piece of leather, gold would be the actual color. And this is not the item, because I think this chain is even shorter than I had anticipated. So that's barely gonna fit on my neck. Let's see. Yeah. I'm gonna have to get one of my chain extenders on there. I have a really thick neck, you know, big girl. So that was disappointing. I mean, it's beautiful. It's a very weighty, heavy pendant, but it's not what I had thought I ordered. So that is disappointing. The chain is beautiful. The pendant is beautiful. It's just not the item that I thought I was getting. I'll put it here against the orange box. It was supposed to have come with a almost gray microfibery pouch. So I'm really confused. Disappointed, Fashion File. I'll have to look and see what my order history says and see if it just, I must have clicked the, and I'll tell you the story. I was at the symphony, and it was during intermission, and I was trying to like frantically order before the coupon expired that night at midnight, which is so stupid to do that. But I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna treat myself to something. I felt like shopping, and the intermission was just taking a lot longer than it should have been. So I was scrolling quickly, and I had a couple different items I was considering, and I hit click add to cart and checkout. And I think I clicked the wrong one in add to cart. So it's probably my own fault. And it's still a pretty item, don't get me wrong. They're beautiful items, but it's just not what I was expecting. So I'll have to go back on the website and see if the one I wanted is still there. See what I did. Maybe this one was cheaper and the other one was more expensive, and that's why I picked one over the other. But I swear that I don't recall there being just a plain pendant. So anywho, that's my latest Hermes item. Keep buying things left and right just to try them out, and it is really beautiful. It's just different than what I was expecting. So we'll see what the rest of Vlogmas brings. Good evening. It's Advent calendar time. The children are misbehaving at my feet, so
stop it.
And we can't get this lamp to work, so that lamp, it's like driving me nuts. So it's been a day. It's the continuation of bad days. But it's Advent calendar time. All right, so let's start on day 13 of, oh, it's Sexy Hot Christmas Tea, which we will not be drinking tonight.
Yeah, it's a black tea. Can't drink it on a school night.
Exactly. So let's come over here. Pickles, for the love of God, child.
Night would be a different story. So, all right, 13 down here. There it is. Okay, it's a small box, so It might be a pint jar then.
Yeah. Now this is going to be the $500 jar of La Mer that I'm waiting for.
Here we go. 13 is, it's a box.
It's clé de peau. Let's get over here where there's light.
Here, how about some more light?
Oh, jeez. Hi. This is so lightweight. Oh my God. It's barely
weighs almost
anything.
nothing.
0.06 ounce creme rejuvenator supreme enhancing eye contour cream supreme from Clé de Peau Beauté. Okay. This is new. And if you haven't learned anything today, your girl doesn't have time to read, apparently, because she bought this, getting all excited, thinking, oh, I'm going to have popcorn every night with flavorings. And then I read the fine little print down there that says 8 bags of popcorn and 4 bags of seasoning. So each day will be different items. Yeah, want.
All right.
So, yeah.
Day 1. Where's,
and then the other calendar I'd bought, which was a
this one's
jewelry
in sequence
calendar,
too.
got canceled. So apparently it's sold out. So I'm stuck with this.
So day 1 of the popcorn calendar.
Is fancy colored popcorn.
It doesn't oh wait, it does. Okay, rainbow unique blend.
So I'll pop that at some point and taste it. But yeah, I was hoping to have a different flavoring every day and I would have a snack at night. But no, not going to happen. So
well,
let's do, because these children are
here's 13.
Are really excited. So you've calmed down because it's Advent calendar time.
All right. Oh, Dolly will be pleased.
It's Christmas trees, Mama.
These are the little trees that she likes.
It's your Christmas trees. Want to come over and get Advent calendar? We have a fire going in the fireplace too.
Yep, it's a cozy night.
Come here, Dolly.
Okay.
Yes, come over.
Sit pretty, Mr. Bamboo.
You like to trees?
Yes, good boy. Yes, my good boy. And get it, Dolly. Get it. Yum, 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 yum. And one more.
I gotta get some more of those. There's a little Trader Joe's Christmas trees.
Boy, my favorite boy.
Dolly thinks they're just fabulous and delicious.
Okay.
So we'll get you some
13
more.
over here. The wish list says a play date with Petunia. I wonder if Petunia is this black pug here on the box. Petunia has
that was one of Pickle's potential names, but since it wasn't a food.
Yeah. You had a few flowers, about 5 or so flowers on the list.
Some flowers, but
Petunia, pansy, peony, posy.
Yep. But that we decided on Pickles.
This is one little
Be for Boo Bear. We'll give the girls some
Just
more
for
of the
Boo,
Christmas
okay.
trees. Boo
Hey,
Bear.
Boo Bear.
Another treat.
Bamboo. Come on. How about just sit? Sit. Sit. You almost had it.
He's like, no, I can't.
Okay.
I gotta stand.
Okay, we'll work on that.
Okay, mamas.
You used to be so better trained.
Dolly is standing at attention. She wants a Christmas tree.
Okay. Oh, right.
She's like, I'm so patient, Dad.
Here you go, sweetie.
Oh my gosh, nom 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 noms.
Gobble
Nom,
those up
nom,
because you know
nom,
Pickles
noms.
is going to come for them.
Little dancer.
All right, there we go.
Good job, kids. We're gonna have a better week, right, Bubs? Yeah, it's supposed to be better. We can only hope our days get better. So, all right. See y'all tomorrow.
Looking for it. I know you're